How to download eFootball on Android. Downloading the eFootball application on our Android phone is very simple. Before we get started, just make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Now, eFootball is quite a huge game, so make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi unless you have an unlimited data plan. Once you make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, simply launch your Google Play Store, and from there, simply tap on the search menu. And what you have to do is simply search for eFootball. You'll find the first application from the list. If you haven't installed it, you'll find the install or the get option there. If you've already installed it, you'll find the play button, which you can go ahead and then open it up if you like. And this way you can download eFootball on your mobile phone. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.